the exploratory data analysis and visualization. Univariate analysis, as the name suggests, is an analysis done for a single variable. And the first thing we see in univariate analysis is the distribution of IMDb scores. So I have plot a histogram. Title is distribution of IMDb scores. X label is IMDb scores, and Y label is frequency. And why have I used a histogram? So histogram is used to visualize the single variable and its distribution. And I have used it here because it shows the distribution clearly. So highlight central tendency and spread. So we can see here, it is fairly normal distribution here. We can see the peak of the bell curve here, and then again it's going down. What are the insights that can be drawn from this visualization? This analysis can provide insights to the stakeholder, in which we can see that the majority movies are perceived as average. This insight helps the content strategists to recognize that producing truly exceptional content 8+ rating is rare but highly impactful. For marketing teams, this is a near normal distribution. So with a slight right skew, which suggests that while most movies hover around average, there exists a niche of highly rated content. Market teams can leverage this by promoting top performing genres and movies, and as these films hold the potential to attract more audience. For investors, again, it's the same thing. The extreme ratings below 3 or above 9 rarely exist here. So tracking shifts in distribution over time can help identify whether the production quality is improving, stagnating, or declining.